Thank you for calling PlayStation. My name is Billy. I'll be your PlayStation specialist. How can I assist you?
Well, first of all, I just got my PlayStation, even though the PlayStation 4, is gonna be coming out soon. But I just wanted this to play with my friends. But anyway, so the thing is that when I brought my PlayStation home, I tried to hook it up with my power, and I had everything hooked up correctly, and my PlayStation would not come on.
When did this happen?
Well, I got my PlayStation about noon today, noon Central Time today, and
Uh-huh.
well, I live pretty far from GameStop, where I got it from, and so I don't. It was used, and when I brought it home and tried to plug it up to my power cable to turn it on, it would not turn on.
Okay, they gave you a bad PlayStation.
No, but they told me that they told me when they were at GameStop, they told me that they even plugged it in there and showed me that it worked. Man, I don't know if it's just something with the power strip I was using, or I don't know.
It could be. Can you plug it directly into the wall?
Uh, yeah, I'll try that. Just 1 second. Yeah, I did, and it didn't come on. I mean, I guess like they gave me when they have like a test power cable, and then they gave me another
Right.
power cable, so it might just be the power cable.
Yeah, it may be.
But how much would one of those power cables be? I mean, because I don't have much money after buying this thing. Because GameStop's kind of a ripoff.
Right. We don't sell them. What I would do honestly is
Amazon, eBay, something like that.
no, I'd take it back to GameStop next time you're up there
Like,
and say, look, this doesn't work. You
yeah.
gave me a bad cable.
I mean, GameStop, they kind of just want your money.
Yeah, take your receipt and say, look, I bought this stuff from you. You gave me this cable and it's bad cable. I need one that works.
Right, because the dude,
There's no.
I mean, he showed me that it worked, and I trusted him. I paid. It was used, and they charged me actually just a bit less, like 200 and the consoles are $300. Is that correct?
Yeah, yeah.
And they gave it to me for 280.
What?
And, I mean, considering that it's even used, I mean that's like way overpriced.
I'd be furious if I were you.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would definitely take it back to them and say, look, this cable doesn't work. What are you trying to do? Rip me off?
Right.
I need one that works.
Yeah.
But as far as buying another one, I wouldn't until I, tried that.
Yeah.
And they better, show them your receipt. Say, look, I spent this much money and you gave me a bad cable.
Right. And the thing is that I barely even had that much. I had to go to my car and scrape change out of my, look at the bottom of my seats, look in between my seats and everything. I mean, it's way overpriced.
Yeah, it is. And if they don't, you just return it. Say, look,
right.
I don't need your crap. Excuse my language.
That's right. But the thing is, if I return it, I can choose the in-store credit or the cash. It'll be less than what I bought it for.
Do you know how much less?
Well, I guess probably like $190, $200. They might say that maybe on my drive home I may have messed up the cable or messed up the system or something.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I Well, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling PlayStation.
Alright.
Yeah, go back to them. Make them make it right.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
Bye.
you for calling. Have a good night.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.